Hi guys! Familiar ba kayo sa idiomatic words na living like a rock star? Pinangarap nyo din ba yon? Well, building good credit is the first step towards making the dreams a reality. How? Good credit can open doors for you, from getting approved for loans and credit cards to scoring a great apartment or even a better job. And the best part? It's actually not that hard to build a good credit. You just need to understand the basics. Hindi ko kayo sa ini-encourage mangutang dito So, magbibigay lang ako ng tips on how to build a good credit. First, pay your bills on time. Second, keep your credit card balances low. Third, only apply for credit when you really need it. Fourth, check your credit report regularly. See? Building good credit isn't rocket science. It just takes a little bit of discipline and a lot of determination. And that's where I come in. As a financial advisor, I can help you develop a plan to build and maintain good credit and provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to make it happen. So, what do you say? Are you ready to rock your credit score and rule the financial world? If so, let's set up a call so we can start it. Just scan the QR code presented in the screen and book a call with me today. Watch my video number 15, Understanding Loans. See you!